This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade potato salad easily. First, select about 2 pounds of Yukon Gold or red potatoes. Boil them until they are tender, then let them cool completely before dicing. Next, gather your essential ingredients: good quality mayonnaise, a touch of mustard, crisp celery, and a bit of onion. These simple steps lay the foundation for a truly delicious dish. Now, let's create that perfect creamy dressing. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of your favorite mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard for a tangy kick. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to brighten the flavors. Season this mixture with about 1/2 teaspoon each of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Whisk it all together until smooth and well combined. With your potatoes diced and your dressing ready, it's time to bring it all together. Gently fold the cooled, diced potatoes into the creamy dressing, ensuring every piece is coated. Then, stir in about 1/2 cup of finely chopped celery for a delightful crunch. Finally, add 1/4 cup of minced red onion, which provides a mild, savory bite without overpowering the other flavors. The final steps are crucial for the best flavor. Once everything is mixed, cover your potato salad and refrigerate it for at least 1 hour. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Before serving, you can garnish it with some fresh chopped parsley or a sprinkle of paprika for color. Serve this homemade potato salad chilled as a perfect side dish for any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.